What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with another one. We are here checking in. We're going to show you what it's all about. So if you did see our last video, we did have an ADA approved room, but this time we are back to regular standard rooms, and that shows first in the bathroom. This is a very small bathroom when you first walk in. On your left, there are some towels, full-size amenities, which you do not see very often. Full-size hand wash and lotion, a couple of wine glasses, some tissues, some hand towels. What's going on? Let me flip you around. And this is the shower. Michael said he was familiar with this brand. I don't think I am, so I'm looking forward to trying it out and seeing what it's all about. We have a dual shower head system, and this looks like it might be local art. Some more in the room I will share with you, and your standard amenities. Come on out. And there is a very small closet. Here. When you open it, there are a couple of hangers. We've got our jackets in there. We are in New Hampshire and it is still winter. There is an ironing board. Some space up there if you want to just store a bag. And then we'll show you the rest of the room. Oh, hey, Michael.
Well, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Sheraton Portsmouth, New Hampshire. I was just taking a look at their room service menu here. So reasonable prices, handy dandy Bud Lights and room service is only $7. Not bad.
That's not bad at all.
You got a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger is going for $16. So pretty fair prices here for the food and drinks. So not bad at all.
Michael's already thinking of room service for later. So when you first come in here, we do have a full-size mirror, which also has some hooks on there, which came in handy for hanging up your jacket or purse or hats or mittens. And then we have
pretty huge TV here, about I would say maybe a 55-inch TV. Not bad at all. Nice king-size bed.
55-inch TV, but what's up with the TV? Normally, you guys know we have our channel playing in the background, but we have this remote here that we can't seem to.
So they have this clean remote, and when you turn the TV off and then turn it back on,
I don't really know what that means.
it doesn't give you the option to go to Netflix or anything. It's not even turn it on. There we go.
So there is a streaming option when you do go to that home screen. When you check into the Marriott, usually that welcomes you, and then streaming is a option you can pick. But with this clicker, we cannot figure out how it works. So if you know,
Look at the remote here.
There's no button.
So if you hit channel up, it's just going to change the channel.
So we're not sure. We don't know how it works. We're going to ask the front desk when we go downstairs. If you guys know, let us know. But let's show a little bit more here of the sitting area by the TV.
So you got a little bench here, a few drawers down here. Put some stuff away.
Storage area, trash and recycling. I do like this bench here because it's a great spot to put your bags. I don't like putting our bags on the floor for obvious reasons, and usually they only will provide one luggage rack. So this is great. We can both throw our bags there and be able to live out of it as we are here just for one night. Let's go over and check this area.
So for anybody doing work, there's a few plugs here, plus a little charge ports there as well. So you can put your laptop here, do some business or whatever.
This light fixture is pretty interesting. Swings the light around. Can you show us how that works, Michael? You can't really see it when I do it on the camera.
Swing the light around. So, wherever you want to position your laptop. Personally, I'll probably work like this so you can get a little bit of the view that we'll show later on. But that's what I'll do. Comes with complimentary waters, which is good. Nowadays, you get a lot of hotels that are charging like $5 or $6 for water. They have 2 complimentary bottles, which is pretty good.
That saves you from going to the vending machine. Let's check out our view.
Let's take a look. It's the view of Jeers over Jeers, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look.
Big review.
It It's okay.
It's nice, yeah. Over there we do see some waterfront, so I would call this a semi-waterfront
Yeah, to the
hotel.
left you have the water view with the bridge there, and then you have downtown Portsmouth right straight ahead, so not bad.
And then right down here is where you come into the hotel. We were welcomed by a nice friendly valet. The options were, I think it was 35.
35 for valet or 30 if you want to park across the street by yourself. So depending if you want somebody to get in your car and park it for you, it's $5 extra.
And that's the entrance down there, a nice little awning that you come into. And then when we come over here, we do have Mr. Coffee Maker with some tea and sugar, creamers, your basic coffee if you want to have a little bit of that in the morning. And what about this fridge?
The fridge here. Of course, we got our go-tos, so the handy dandy Bud Lights for me, Corona Premier for the lovely lady.
And we've got a safe, and let's check out this couch. We got a pull-out couch.
Look here. Yep, it is a pull-out couch.
Okay, perfect. So that looks like it's a nice queen, maybe even a king pull-out couch. And more of that local art, which is really cool. South End Winter in Portsmouth, so you get a little bit of the culture.
And since there's paintings here, we might as well do the dust test and see how they're doing. Let's take a look here. Pulled up a little bit of dust. I don't know if you can get that, but fairly good. It does look like they're using a Swiffer here. So
I think you need to do on the top rung.
Top rung?
All the way at the top, yeah. That's where we get it.
Let's see. Yeah, it pulled up a little bit.
Not too much.
Not too much, though. I've seen much worse than that.
Let's check out bedside over here.
We're going to do our clock test.
So my phone is right here, so we can...
Oh, that's much easier then. 4:08. And they have 4:11.
So 4:08 is the actual time. 4:11, so a couple minutes early, better than late.
Yes.
A couple minutes. They want you
They
to...
have it late. They have it 2 minutes the wrong direction.
So they want you to check out early of the hotel room instead of late of the hotel room. So...
Oh, so that makes sense.
Okay, so and then this is our bed. King size bed, it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Nice big pillows. Looks like they're nice and fluffy. We haven't checked it out yet, but
Yeah, that's a nice fluff to it.
it's like a good quality
Yeah,
bed.
That's quality. Nice soft pillows. So the top one's soft, and the bottom one's a firmer pillow here. So this is the firmer one. This is the softer one. So I think this is a feather pillow, and the other one is non-feather, hypoallergenic.
When we have our air system here, we do have that air on. As soon as we get here, we like to turn that on to get things moving. Looks pretty self-explanatory, nothing too hard to figure out. So we have been to Portsmouth before. Maybe you've seen our video, maybe you haven't. This is a different hotel we're checking out this time around.
So last time we stayed at the AC Hotel in downtown Portsmouth. This is also another Marriott. This is Sheraton. So this is one of at least 3 or 4 Marriotts they have in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. So far, we're going to show you the lobby. The lobby's beautiful downstairs.
There's a pool on location. They do have a private function area, and we did see that there was, it looks like a observatory deck. You can maybe see the water or some views outside.
Yeah, this looks like a perfect location if you're having a wedding or anything like that. It does look like they have a wedding hall. They probably do weddings on site here. We did show you in the Portsmouth video if you didn't check it out. They do have like a site for weddings there as well. So we'll show you for comparison, we'll show you what the differences are.
And we're gonna head out around town. Last time we were here was the middle of the summer and lots of businesses were closed. So we are hoping to check out all new places this time around, the ones that we didn't get to last time, and maybe pop into a couple of our favorites that we really liked before.
All right, stay tuned, guys. Quick view of the fitness center here. Ellipticals, treadmills, pretty decent size.
And here is the pool area. It does have a small pool. We did not make it in this time around because it was school break week and there were a lot of kids. So we avoided that as much as possible.
The lady found the Jeers, and I'm already see what she's talking about. Look at this vent. Dusty, dusty, dusty. Quick Swiffer of the vent, ladies. Quick Swiffer of the vent, housekeeper.
You know we cannot turn down a cookie.
And As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we are right next to the water at this hotel. So this is right outside of the hotel. We're going down the steps from the hotel, and I'll bring you right to the waterfront here. I believe they call it the riverfront. There's a bridge here, and this is wintertime, a large salt pile here. But it's been a mild winter this year, and I like it. And not even 3 minutes walk from the hotel is Earth Eagle Brewing. And you know, me and the lovely Jen love our brewery, so we're gonna check it out. All right, so here we are. I got the Pitastasqua. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's their lager, because you know I love my handy dandies. That's the closest you can get. And the lovely lady got the American Gangster.
Show the interior here.
Here's a quick view of the interior of the bar here. It's a very small bar, but they have really good scores on Yelp. They got their little merch up there. So me and the lovely Jen got the pretzel appetizer, and it might be one of the best pretzels I've ever had in my life. This ain't Auntie Annie's. This is a step up in the game. Delicious beer cheese, fantastic.
We did make it back to the hotel lobby for a nightcap. However, they were already closing up the bar, and as you can see, set up for breakfast.
We asked about the Netflix situation that was going on. First name starts with a K. She informed us that the streaming service does not work at this hotel, so that's why it's not working, and that's a Jeers.
If you haven't already, please click and subscribe for future content and follow us on Jenichaels Journey for our next giveaway. Also, stay tuned for our next trip, which will be Chicago, followed by Texas in a few short weeks. Looking forward to sharing it all with you. Here's a little walk through the lobby and their little marketplace. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed.